Welcome. YouTube community, what's good? I'm just basically on here because there's a lot of information that I want to obtain. You know, technology is moving at a fast pace, at a fast race. And I just make sure that I'm part of the race. I want to go across that finish line and be able to soak up as much game when it comes to technology, when it comes to blockchains, when it comes to finance, when it comes to cryptocurrency, when it comes to investing, NFTs, stock options. I want to be able to know every possible thing in that realm. You know, that's the next way we're going to be able to make money. It's a fast way to make money. We don't have to rely on banks. We don't have to have good or outstanding credit. You know, decentralization is the new ecosystem of finance. And I'm just trying to learn as much. It's so much stuff I've been researching in the last 4 or 5 days, you know, in regards to decentralized finance, liquidity pools, buying crypto, selling crypto, holding on to crypto, lending out crypto. Man, the list is endless. All this new terminology. So that's the basis of CliquedUp TV. It's to educate myself, and while I'm educating myself, it's to inform people like me that's unaware of this new innovative technology, where if it's science or if it's just technology, period. Let's evolve why technology is evolving. Let's not get left behind. We already was left behind when it came to Bitcoin, when it came to Tesla, when it came to Netflix, you know, hopping on the bandwagon and putting $20 here, $100 here in stock. You know, it's the new wave. So no more screwing over your money, you know, partying. You know, it's time for investments. It's time to take our lives serious. You know, if you got kids, you got family, you know, it's no time to play around. You know, education is the key. You don't have to have degrees. You don't have to go to college for 8 years. You know, we have the internet. And this is a tool that we can utilize that can make us successful. You know, we can open up our own businesses, hire our own people, you know, become independent and rely on ourselves without any government being involved. So technology, it's the new wave. It's been the new wave. And I just don't want to get left behind. So this is the perfect time for if you have anything you want to talk about, or you want to know more about CliquedUp TV, what I'm working on, you know, where my mind frame at so far as longevity. You know, I'm new to this YouTube. I never had a social media, never had an Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, none of that. So I'm just starting off, you know, YouTube, baby. You know, thank you for giving me this platform where I can speak my mind. You know, hopefully there's other people on here that feel the same way I do so far as technology and not being left behind. You know, there's Metaverse world going on that's being implemented with this 3D device, virtual reality devices, all augment. You know, things is going real fast. You know, we got artificial intelligence that's taking over in all sorts of sectors. So while robots and artificial intelligence is taking over and doing jobs that we no longer want to do, let's wise up. Let's educate ourselves. Let's get hip to the new technology. Let's get hip to crypto. Let's get hip to investing. You know, let's form a way, you know, that we can plant a seed for the future. Let's grow that tree. You know, this is a new foundation. You know, we're turning a new leaf. You know, so if you want to be a part of it, I suggest you do your research, or you can look at some of my YouTubes, my videos I've been putting out. They boring as fuck. Tell you the truth, my videos boring as fuck. You feel me? I ain't even really bringing my entertainment side. You know, because I'm in between educating myself and trying to get y'all the facts as I get the facts. But now I'm working on something bigger, so it's gonna take more research. It's gonna take more time, not dropping videos. But you know, this YouTube, I ain't giving up one bit. So this is gonna be my hobby. I got new video editing software, got a new laptop. You know, I'm trying to invest. I'm trying to invest in technology. And if I'm gonna spend over $1,000 on a laptop, it better be an investment. It better be a way I can make a profit. You know, I ain't on here, you know, reporting about violence or what happened in the hip hop industry, who dissing who smoking who. No, I can go viral. I can definitely go viral with some shit if I wanted to report, if I wanted to be in that lane. But that's not my lane. My lane is figuring out this technology thing. You know, I love hip hop. You know, I love all that. Maybe one day I can venture off and set up another channel when this channel take off. But for right now, I'm just staying highly focused on what matters in life, and that's growth, being responsible, taking care of your responsibilities, and becoming somebody, being happy, being able to take vacations, you know, being able to afford whatever you want to afford, cars you want to buy, houses you want to buy, you know, shit. I want to get things in life just like any other man out there. You know, I'm not trying to be out here committing crime and taking risks and getting locked up, because 9 times out of 10, you locked up, you gonna have to listen to that white man. You know, shit, when to wake up, when to take a shower, you know, shit, when to go hit the yard and all that. Like, shit, wow, I might as well be out here educating myself, head in these books, and trying to flip my dollar into some thousands and my thousands and into some hundreds of thousands, and maybe one day I have some millions floating around here, you know, in this decentralized space, because the show ain't gonna be at no bank. So I'm learning a lot of stuff right now. You know, I go on and on and on, but I just wanted to drop a little bit of something of what this channel is about. CliquedUp TV is bringing the news when it comes to innovation, when it comes to science, when it comes to technology, when it comes to gadgets and gadgets, anything that can make our lives easier, anything we can buy that can make us a profit, you know, a legitimate profit. You know, I'm willing to talk about that. If my fans and my viewers out there, you know, you feel like you could bring something to the table, if you have an idea or you want to, you know, make me aware of something, you know, I'm all for it. So definitely hit me up with any ideas, or if you want to know how this YouTube thing going, shit, you can hit me up. I'm still getting used to it, but you know, hopefully I can get my subscribers up. You know, get them likes up. You know, y'all can create a dialogue in the comment section. I welcome anybody that's interested in learning about technology, learning about Metaverse, learning about NFTs, learning about cryptocurrency, learning about 5G technology, you know, learning about artificial intelligence. Man, the list goes on. And artificial intelligence, I've been doing some research on that too. So I'm about to drop a few films on that, drop through videos, you know, just trying to get everything in order one time. So I just appreciate y'all tuning in, logging in, figuring out what the heck I'm trying to say to you guys is kind of important, because the more I talk to y'all, the more I'll feel more comfortable and expressing myself, you know. I don't do this social media, like I say, no Netflix, I say no Netflix, no Instagram, no Twitter, no Facebook, no Snapchat, no none of that So I'm just starting off with this YouTube because, you know, I figure I could be more informative. And of course, you get monetized at a certain point, you know, get them followers up, get that watch time hours up, you know. So like and subscribe. If you vibing with me, I'm vibing with y'all. If you clicked up with me, I'm clicked up with y'all. So, you know, hit me up one time and stay tuned, because I'm gonna get better at this video editing. I know some of my videos is boring. I try to do the little playback. I'm like, oh shit, if I can't listen to this, I know they can't listen to it. But everything I saying was basically the truth. But I'm gonna bring it more energetic, more energy. I'm gonna come to y'all more live and be more acceptable to listen to in the future. So I'm sorry for all them boring videos, but it's gonna get better with time, baby. Just stick in with me, and I'll stick with y'all. CliquedUp TV and the place to be. Yee!